What is up, my friends? I am Mumfy. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining. In my last video covering some camping essentials, we went over my top 5 items in a sleeping gear video. This time I figured let's go over my top 5 kitchen gear items. So let's jump right into it. Alright, here are my top 5 kitchen gear items that you should keep in your kitchen kit. Starting off with number 1, a good stove. Whether it be butane or propane, like the one I have here, a good kitchen stove is definitely going to be ideal, especially when you want to start cooking up all your food. Having a good stove, one that's reliable, is always a good idea to keep in your kitchen kit. Now, a lot of these can get pretty up there in price, but a good stove is ideal to keep in your kitchen kit. Now, number 2, obviously if you're going to have a stove, you're going to want some pots and pans. Whether it be a stainless steel kit where you can boil water, or even just housing your food, and also having a nice cast iron skillet is always good. Definitely going to be using that for either serving or cooking purposes, so having a good set of pots and pans is going to be ideal for this kitchen kit. Alright, now after you're done prepping all your food and cooking it all up, you're definitely going to need a way to serve it or even eat it. So what better way than to get yourself a set of plates and utensils. You can find some pretty inexpensive ones that you can reuse. I have a set of plastic plates here along with some plastic spoons, knives and forks that you can use to clean up and reuse. Those are the best and ideal ways, so that way you're not producing a lot of waste. The other thing I have here is a set of cooking utensils. This is a great set, one that you can pick up off of Amazon. It does have a cutting board, knife, some spare utensils, spatula, spoon, even has some sticks for hot dogs or s'mores. Great little kit. I'll link this down below if you're interested in looking and picking up this kit. Next up is going to be a cooler. Now, for obvious reasons, a cooler is good to have, so that way you're preserving your food before you actually cook it up. So having a nice cooler, whether it be a little bit on the less expensive side, like this Coleman here, or if you're going up to some of the more robust coolers that can hold ice for a lot longer, get yourself one that you're comfortable with and that fits within your budget. You definitely want to make sure that your food's being kept fresh and ideal for when you're ready to cook it up. And last but not least, my number 5 item is what everything is actually sitting on. Make sure you have a good table. Having a good cooking station is going to be ideal for keeping you organized, making sure that everything is laid out for when it comes time to cook up the food, place it, prep it, and serve it. One of the cool things that I did recently on my Tacoma is I put in a mountain hatch tailgate insert that will also help with my kitchen setup. I can place my stove on there, have this as a little prep station. That way everything is nice and close for when I'm ready to cook up my meals for either lunch or dinner and even breakfast. So there you have it, my friends. This is my 5 essential items for a kitchen kit. One thing I will suggest you guys leave in the comment section below, and one thing that I am looking for is a good way to cook up coffee at your campsite. If you have a good way, let me know down in the comment section what I should look at. Is it a percolator? Is it a French press or something of that nature? Let me know down in the comments section below. All right, let's pack this up and get it in the truck. All right, my friends, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you did enjoy it. Let me know what other kitchen essentials are you adding or keeping in your kitchen kits. I'd love to keep a list going so that way we can help out those that are just being introduced into camping, or for those of us that have been doing it for quite some time, maybe get some good ideas for upgrading our current kitchen kits. Leave those down in the comments section below. Love to get some new ideas. And remember, I'm looking for an awesome way to cook up some coffee. So let me know what you guys are using in the comment section below as well. If you like this video, please smash the like button. If you're enjoying these videos and would love to see me continue on doing some of these, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for joining me. Hope you guys are having just a great day, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.